This is Chris from Munch, and welcome to Fast Food Fight. This show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine biting into these golden crunchy sticks for a delicious explosion of cheese, perfectly complemented with a chili jam dipping sauce. $3.35 for lukewarm sticks and a smiggled chili-less jam. Subscribe or I'll whip out my stringy stick and jam it on the chopping board. Blitz a handful of panko breadcrumbs and a handful of cornflakes. Mozzarella string cheese, dip it in egg wash and roll it in the breadcrumb. Fry it in veggie oil at 180 degrees. Cook it until golden. Jam, chili paste, vinegar and sriracha. Cook on medium and stir until combined. Pop in bottles in the pan like a lizard. When we chop we do it right, stringy cheese like a gizzard. Splitting crumb sticks on my plate like 3/6. Now I'm feeling happy cause I got cheese sticks. Came in at $2.45. This has been Chris from Munch, and I'll see you next Tuesday.